Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit French. Today is my Ruby Tuesday design team project for Heather at Ruby&Pearlxo. I will pull up my chair and we'll get started. This is a two-part project because I created this folder for this journal and it just became too full. It will fit in the pocket, but it pushes it out too far. So I will show you. Yeah, I mean it can hold it, but it's just a bit much. It pushes it out, and it didn't look good to me. So first I'll show you the journal. I tried to use every wallpaper kit, a little bit of each wallpaper kit. So I will link those wallpaper kits from Ruby and Pearl and her Etsy shop, and you can click on them. Make it easy for you. The cover is printed on linen paper, one of the wallpaper kits. And I adhered it to an antique ledger, real thick paper from Angie. And then here I made a couple tags, vintage looking. This one is vintage. This beautiful blue. And I just added some lace to the corner. And then in this lace pocket is another tag-like fold out. You can write in there. You can store things in there. And then some of the wallpaper on top. So all digitals are Heather. I've added original papers. You'll probably see some tea stain paper in the folder. And then in the folder, there's a couple little bitty pictures of mine for my collection. Here is some embroidered ribbon. And then on the wallpaper pages, I tried to add a little bit of fabric or lace just to give it a little bit more texture. And then this pocket just is another one of those fold outs. This is from her ledger kit. Here's one of her French invoice kits. So pretty. And then I made a couple clusters. And then this is on tracing paper. So pretty. And then I just added a little bit to this corner. One of my favorite digitals right here, this wallpaper kit. I think this is the new one. I just love those colors. And then this was in a Happy Mail from Angie. It's like a little notepad, and it has original wallpaper pinned to it, so I thought it went in here nicely. Thank you, Angie. And here's another beautiful wallpaper page. And then I made a tag, a couple tags here, using the wallpaper and some original ephemera. Very simple journal. That's my style. You just can't beat these colors. They're just gorgeous. And then here in the middle is again the ledger kit and another fold out where you can write or store things. And in this pocket, I just made a tag with some old papers. And then here is part of the wallpaper folded up. Just some texture. And then this little short page, I added a little cluster of tags. And these are, the first two are stamped with Sampool clear stamps. And then there's just an image in here. And then here is another one of my favorite Ruby and Pearl images. And then I backed it with this scrap piece of wallpaper and a book page. Beauty, beauty. And then here is another piece of ephemera from Angie, and lace pocket, corner lace pocket. And here's the other side of that favorite wallpaper. Look at those colors and some more tags. And another, is there some, yeah. Just somewhere in case you want to add some notes. And then this is some of the wallpaper, digital. And just an image. Beautiful dress. And here is another tag I made with some crumbly antique papers and part of the wallpaper. And then I don't know if you can see it, but this is the textured piece of a blue envelope that I did. I need to make more of that. I just love this. The white up against that blue-green, beautiful. So I thought I'd add this little bit of ribbon. And then here is a rather large tag. And I love this image as well. That's and then in the back, I just have a piece of ephemera, an antique French document, and you can store things in there. And I just made it where you can wrap the string around that. There you go. Beauty, beauty. I love her. She's pretty. And the only thing is, I did have I did have a pin here. Let me find it. Oh my goodness. What did I do with it? There it is. I had made this. These are inspired by Heather for sure. You know, and I had all these beads. I was never using them. So now I leave them out so that I use them. And Heather inspired me when she started making these pins. And this one's going to go right here like that. So that's the journal. And then we'll look at the little folder that she was supposed to go in. Again, this is from Angie, the beautiful ledger paper she gifted me in a Happy Mail. And I added this French document to the cover of it. And because the journal was going to go in here, then I decided just to make another little journal booklet with some more of the beautiful wallpaper. And this is actually from Heather's Tall Document digital kit. They're different colors. There's pink, there's blue, there's off-white and tans. So yeah, I printed one of those off and just made another little booklet. Yep, love that wallpaper. So that's going to go in there. Then I had some leftover scraps, so I made this little mini journal. And this is the image that I said is mine. And she's pinned on here. Let me see if I can get her unpinned. There we go. Put her to the side. And so I used some of the scraps of the wallpaper digital kit and some authentic papers. And I even made another little scrap bundle. I don't know what that is. Like a little cluster of tags. And these are all sample stamped. And this is the other image, that little bitty image that I said that I added. Oops, wrong side. There we go. Oh, I bet that little green paper was from that little scrap. So yeah, this is just a little, I love this size. I love this little size. It'd be nice when, you know, because I give my customers a little freebie, a little gift when they purchase. Let's see if I can tie that. Yeah. I'll just stick her in there. And so then I made this little folder, and this is the tracing paper on the front. And inside, I decided to use a couple of my favorite tall documents. And so I made a copy, and then I added some of the wallpaper as if you would see them in a wallpaper store with the numbers where you can choose. So I added these little bitty numbers. And if you look on this ledger, there's little bitty numbers. That's where I took them. And so this is more of the blues and greens. And you just use the brad and you turn them like this, as if you were shopping. There you go. So those are like little sample. And then these are the wallpaper that are in the pinks, mostly pinks. And then you can see the little numbers. I should say pinks and greens. Beautiful. Beautiful wallpapers. There we go. So that's the pink one. There you go. And put her back in here. So I hope you got some ideas, maybe some inspiration. Thank you, Heather, for your wonderful digitals. so many choices, and I love that everything is vintage or antique. There you go. And there you go. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great week, and so take care, everyone.